Pratley Quickset White is a quick-setting, high-strength adhesive which sets hard to a glossy white finish. It adheres to most rigid materials like ceramics, stone, fiberglass, concrete and metals. Quickset White is ideal for heavy-duty applications where the surfaces are somewhat rough. It has great gap-filling properties and can be filed, sanded and even painted once set. It is thixotropic, which means it can be applied on vertical repairs. Some suggested uses for Pratley Quickset White may include the following: repairing china plates and ornaments, repairing damaged ceramic basins, and repairing handles on your kitchen utensils. Surfaces to be bonded must be free from loose dirt, rust, paint, oil and grease. Sanding will help with the adhesion to smooth surfaces. Chemical cleaning can be done with Pratley Safety Cleaner or industrial acetone. Take the tube with a white cap and squeeze out a bead of resin onto a flat, non-absorbent surface such as a piece of cardboard. From the tube with a red cap, squeeze out an exactly similar bead of hardener next to the first. Using a spatula or a matchstick, thoroughly mix the two beads together until an even color is reached. Use the mixture within 3 minutes of mixing. You will be able to handle the bond in 4.5 minutes, have approximately 60% strength in 20 minutes and full strength in an hour and a half. All Pratley products carry our policy statement that states, the performance of our products must exceed all others on the world market. Go to our website or social media platforms for more information.